Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and Assalamu alaikum students. Welcome to class 8 again. So as you know, we were doing the revision of chapter number 4, algebraic expression, and this belongs to algebra section. And let me introduce myself. That is not much needed, but still I am Ms. Falaknaz. Okay. So what we are going to do today, we are going to start from exercise number 4.8 that is included in final term. Okay, the formula which is required to solve exercise number 4.1 is this one, which is, I know all of you know very well, that is a plus b plus c whole square. Means here you have the square of three terms. Okay, here you have the square of three terms, and it is equals to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca, right? Yes, you have to do, beta Fatma. Question number 3, bit number 1, you have to do it in your copy. If it is left, so please complete it. Okay, now let's start the lecture. In exercise number 4.8, the question number 1 is, okay, exercise number 4.8, question number 1 is this one. Expand the following, means you have to expand it. Okay, जिस फॉर्म में आपको given है, by the help of formula you have to expand it, right? Now look at here, what is the question here? This is your question, which is, just a minute. Okay, this is your question, which is 2x plus 4y minus 3z. Okay, what is your question here? 2x plus 4y minus 3z, and it has the whole square. Okay, and you have to expand it. So very simple and easy. You have to explain it with the help of formula. So we will start from the heading of solution here, and then we will write it down the question again, which is equals to 2x plus 4y minus 3z whole square, right? But the formula that we are using to expand is this one, which is very familiar, very common to all of you, right? I know it is common and easy for all of you. Now next is, you have to decide what is your a, b and c. Okay, you have to decide here what is your term a, term b and term c. So term a, this one, which is 2x. Okay, term b is this one, which is plus 4y, and in term c here you have minus, but inside the formula you have plus sign, and there is no formula of minus. So you will write it down that this whole one, okay, this whole one is your term c, which is equals to minus 3z. Okay, minus 3z is your term c, right? Okay, just a minute. Oof, 1 minute. Okay, now next is, you are going to put the value of a, b and c in the above formula. So you will write here, put the value of a, b and c in above formula. Now instead of a, what you will write it down, this whole term is now equals to a square. Okay, now what is your a square? Term a ka square lena. So what is term a? That is this one. So inside the bracket you will write 2x and its whole square. फिर plus b, term b ka square. So what is your term b here? 4y. So you will take the whole square of term b, that is 4y whole square. Then sign of plus, which is in formula, and your term c's whole square. Term c here is minus 3z. So you will take the square of minus 3z whole square. Similarly, next here you have plus 2ab. Okay, so first you will write your coefficient, which is 2, then the value of a inside the bracket, which is 2x, and value of b inside the bracket, which is 4y, right? Then move on, this is plus sign. Okay, then this is 2, you will write here 2, then this b. What is term b here? Term b here is 4y bracket, and term b here is minus 3, term c here is minus 3z. So what you will do, you will put each and every value inside the bracket. Last one is plus 2ca. So you will write here plus 2, value of c is minus 3z, and then a, which is equals to 2a. Now in the next step, simply you will take the square Just a minute, student. Please just give me a minute. Now next you have 2x square, 2x. Okay, so what you will do, you will write here, you will take the square of 2. So what will be the square of 2? The square of 2 will be 4 and square of x will be x square. Okay, next you have to take the square of 4, which is 16. The square of 4 is 16 and y square. Then plus sign. Now here you have minus 3. Okay, minus 3 multiplied by minus 3. So 3 square of 3 will be 9 and minus minus will be plus. So simply you will write here plus 9z square. Then obviously here you have no minus sign, so simply you will write here plus. Then 2 multiplied by 2 is 4 and 4 multiplied by 4 is 16. So you will write here 16xy. Okay, then this is plus minus. Okay, so you will write here minus, and 2 multiplied by 4 is 8 and 8 multiplied by 3 is 24. So answer will be yz. Okay, then this is plus minus, right? Plus minus. So you will write it down. 2 into 3 is 6 and 6 into 2 is 12 zx, right? Is it clear? So this will be your final answer. Please tell me, is it clear? Is it clear to you all? अरम आपने अभी तक कैमरा ऑन नहीं किया, मुझे आपकी शक्ल देखनी है. Okay, next is this question. Okay, thank you students. Just a minute. Now, next is this one, exercise number 4.2. Next question is question number 2, which is find the value of a square plus b square plus c square when a plus b plus c is equals to 8 and ab plus bc plus ca is equals to 17, right? So you have to solve it according to the formula. Now how you will solve it? You will write down the heading of solution here, and then what is given to you here, that is this one, which is a plus b plus c, which is equals to 8. Okay, a plus b plus c is equals to 8 here is given to you, and you have to find out the value of a square plus b square plus c square. So it's okay, what you will do, you will write here squaring on both sides. Okay, squaring on both sides. So what we will get, Ali Rao? Okay, now what you have to do, you have to take the square on both sides. So what will be the square? A plus b plus c whole square is equals to 8 whole square. Okay, now as you can see, what you have here, a plus b plus c whole square. Okay, and you have on the right side square of 8. Okay, now let's start. What you will do on the right side, you can apply the formula. Okay, on the left side you will apply the formula, this one, a plus b plus c whole square. So you know that a plus b plus c whole square is equals to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Okay, so this will be equals to, you will place it in except of this. Okay, so you will write it down, this whole term is equals to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca, and the square of 8 will be 64. Okay, now you have to find out the value of this one. You have to find out the value of here, you have to find the value of this one, and obviously this thing is not given to you, but you have given here ab plus bc plus ca, but not this two. So what we will do in the next step, we will taking 2 as a common here. Okay, we are going to take 2 as common here. AB plus BC plus CA. AB plus BC plus CA. Right? Now, simply we will put the value of AB plus BC plus CA, which is equals to 17. Okay? So instead of this, we will write it down that a square plus b square plus c square plus 2. Instead of a plus b plus c plus ca, we will write down the value of this one, which is equals to 17. Now in the next step, we are going to multiply them together. So what will be the answer? 2 multiplied by 17, it will become 34. Now this term is required. Now here you have to find out the value of a square plus b square plus c square. Now simply what you will do, it is plus 34, so you will shift it on to the right side, so it will become minus 34, right? So it will become 64 minus 34. So what will be the answer? Your a square plus b square plus c square is now equals to 30. It is now equals to 30, right? Is it clear? Please write it down in the chat box. Is it clear? Okay, that's good. Now move on to the next one. Exercise number 4.8, question number 2, slightly different question. Now look at here, what is this question? Just a minute. Now find the value of xy plus yz plus zx. Find the value of xy plus yz plus zx when x plus y plus z is equals to 9. Okay, when x plus y plus z is equals to 9 and a Muis Khan, just a minute. Muis, are you here? Muis, you are here, right? Okay. Muis, you are here, right? Okay, and someone is trying to log in with your name. Okay, fine, it's okay. Let's move on. Okay, now here you have to find out the value of this one. And given here you x plus y plus z, which is equals to 9, and x square plus y square plus z square, which is equals to 81. Right? Now, how will you solve it? You will start from this one with the heading of solution. And then you will write here what is given to you, x plus y plus z, which is equals to 9. Just a minute. Right? X plus y plus z, which is equals to 9. Now what you will do, simply you will take the square on both sides again. So you will write here squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides in this way, x plus y plus z whole square is equals to 9 whole square, right? Now, next what you will do, you will apply the formula here. Which formula? The formula here is this one, which is a plus b plus c whole square is equals to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Okay? Now, but here you have x, y, and z. So it's okay. You will convert it into the term x, y, and z. So x, you will write here, this whole term is now equals to x square, y square, z square. Okay, please keep it in your mind that what is given to you. Formula is in term a, b, c, but here you have x, y, and z. So you will write here x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx equals to square of 9 will be 81. Now, what is required here? Basically, as you can see, the value of this term is given to you, and required here is this one, which is xy plus yz plus zx. So what you will do, you will take 2 common here. So in the next step, I'm going to take 2 as a common and put the value of x square y square z square, which is equals to 81. Okay, then 2 as a common, so what will be left? Xy plus yz plus zx, right? Is it clear? Now, in the next step, what we are going to do? We are going to shift this 81, which has plus sign on the right side. Okay, so it will become this one, that is 2xy plus yz plus zx is equals to 81. This one, this 81, this is plus, so yahan aakar it will become minus 81, right? Now, plus minus will be minus. So this whole term is now equals to 0. Now, required thing is this one. Required is this one only. So what you will do, you will take 2 here. 2 is multiplying here now. So when you are shifting it towards right side, so it will get divided with 0. So at the end, you are going to divide this 0 by 2. So anything that is going to divide it by 0, so answer will be 0. Right? So this is very simple and easy questions. If it is not clear, so please ask, then we are moving towards the classwork. Is it clear? Should we start classwork? Hmm? Okay, let's start the classwork. You know where we were doing the work? Where we were doing the work? We were doing the work in algebra copy, and previously we have write down the index with the heading of final term. So we start from a new page. Someone please show the previous index page. Turn your videos on and then show your previous index page so that I can show some of the students that were not present in the previous class. Yes, Fatma, no? Fatma, just a minute, Fatma. Fatma, show the index page. Hmm. This was our previous index. Okay, this was our previous index. Okay, just a minute. Someone else. Okay, who is this? Uh-huh. Okay, as you can see, if you do not have enough page, so you can start from the back side of the page. So this was your previous index and write down today's index. What is your today's index? Exercise number 4.8. Exercise number 4.8. Question number 1, bit number 1 and 2. Yes, very good. Now, show the revision title page or flap, Maida. Okay, this was the flap, and we have started in algebra copy. Now, start your work. Okay, this was your yesterday work. Now, start the work from the same new page with the heading, with the date, which is 21 4 21. Exercise number 4.8, heading of exercise number 4.8. Very good. Bit number 1 and 2. 4.8, question number 1. Question number 1 is expand the following. Okay, these questions are very important. I am repeating again and again, questions are very important. Okay, those questions that you are attempting in your copy, they are very important. Yes. Question number 1 is x plus 3y plus 2z whole square. Now start your work. Everyone please videos on कीजिए. Faliha, little bit closer. Too far. Very good. So all of you are doing your work. Arham, Arham beta, where are you? You are doing your work? Okay, fine, good. Ramesa, video on कीजिए. Zimel, why your video is not doing? Are you doing, beta? Hurry up, do your work. Okay, Rumesa, बेटा वीडियोस ऑन कर लीजिए प्लीज. V is equals to 3y and C is equals to 2z. Very good. Are you doing, students? Very good. Very good. Okay, fine. Take the whole square of this one ना बेटा, ब्रैकेट में लिख दीजिए इसको, x whole square, ब्रैकेट बना दीजिए प्लीज. Here. Okay, Moise is still doing, Ishal is doing, Hamza, Mustafa. Abdul Ahad, where is your video beta? Where is your camera? Abdul Ahad, video start कीजिए. Okay, I'm checking your work. Just a minute. Miss Sarvat, are you there?
जी फलक.
Miss, ye just a minute. Falia, your work is not visible. Hamza, are you doing your work? Ishal, where is your camera? Ishal? Okay, fine.
Manu Tabassum, turn on the camera, please.
Okay, who is this? This is Moise, right? Okay, fine. Now Moise, start bit number 2. Time is running out. We have only 2 minutes, so please do your work fast. Okay, bit number 2 is, what is bit number 2? 4x minus 3y plus 5z whole square. Okay, now expand it with the help of formula. Write down the heading of solution here. Okay, Hamza Mustafa, आपका कैमरा फिर बंद हो गया है. Mehda, where is your camera? Okay, very good, Simal. Please continue your work. Mm-hmm. Fine. Minus 3y, very good. C. This is C. C is equals to 5z. Very good. Now, next what you have to do, put the value of A, B, and C in the above formula. Mehda, where is the camera, beta? Okay, fine. Mm-hmm. Good one. Okay. Okay, Miss Sarva, just a minute. जी मिस सर्वर।
ओके फलक, आप सिर्फ ये करें कि जो कैमरास ऑफ कर रहे हैं स्टूडेंट्स, उनको सिंपली पुट इन वेटिंग रूम पे डाल दीजिए विदाउट वार्निंग। ना आप अपना टाइम ज़ाया करें और ना क्लास का टाइम ज़ाया कीजिए, आप वेटिंग रूम में डाल दीजिए। अगर ये बार बार कहने पर भी कैमरास ऑन नहीं हो रहे हैं, अभी भी इशल का कैमरा ऑफ है, मैदा का कैमरा ऑफ है, अगर ऑफ है तो आप बिल्कुल दोबारा वार्निंग नहीं दीजिए, अब इनको वेटिंग रूम्स में
बस
डाल दीजिए
ठीक है,
फिर
मैं
आप।
फिर इनको वेटिंग रूम में डाल